What is up, happy people? Back in... Oh. No, that's not the right thing. Whoops. Whatever, forget it. Back in action here. We are... There we go. Select the right stream so I have the information. Okay. Live stream this morning. Took my dog to the vet, now I'm back. We are diving back into this afternoon. We had a sell-off. We have stayed below the lower edge of VWAP, broke it, but came right back up to this big trend line I talked about earlier today. So we're just following a pattern, and because of that pattern, I'm going to continue to trade this to the short side. Right now we got a fair value gap here, and we keep bouncing off the outer band of VWAP. I like this setup. I think the stop loss is up here around 25,550. Waiting for a good entry here, closer to it, so I don't have to risk 500 to get in the position. If it's going to reverse, it's going to reverse, and I want to have as minimal of an amount on the table when that happens, or if that happens, because this could easily come back up all the way here and touch this trend line and then come back down. So waiting to see that entry that I like. And the outer band of VWAP, we just keep snapping, touching. Clawing my way back. Was down about 300 earlier, and now I'm down 180. So rough day today. Trades I just had some major losers, some bad risk management. Let's see here. Yeah, we had some major losses here, and then I sniped some really small wins, but had some big losses. So haven't been on fire today. You know, it's a rough day, so to speak. But we're back at it. We're grinding, and we're going to see what we can do here. Part of me wants to take this short right now. Part of me wants to wait till it goes up to the 25,550, just because it looks like it's pushing up a little bit. Anyways, if you want to see what's going on, hang in there. Let's see what happens. Pushing up a little bit. Don't see a clean entry, so we're just going to sit on the sidelines. We are in that fair value gap, but it could easily go blazing through there up to that trend line I was telling you about. Let's see. It's a solid rejection right there. Pretty solid rejection. That fair value gap and VWAP line just ticked up there to the 40, and down she came. Let's put a little sell action on this. Let's put the stop loss up here at 550. There we go. Snipe as many $100 bills as I can get. All right, only down 53 now. Clawing our way back, ladies and gentlemen. Clawing our way back. That's good. Let's get some music playing here while we wait. It's just in a good downtrend still. If it breaks this level, boy, it's gonna shoot down some. Just need to see when that could happen. Well, is this the moment it breaks when I'm not in it? Quite possibly. All right, taking the short. Okay, nothing. Just don't want to miss out on that fall. I know it's coming. I know it's coming. All right, I'm taking that. I'm taking it. I'm gonna sit on it. We're gonna wait for it. We're gonna wait for it. See, that's exactly what I mean about waiting for your entries. It wasn't the breakdown. It's coming back up. I could have a better entry right here to push down. Now, honestly, I may scale into this position with a double up on the... Yeah. I'm going to double up on that. Have a winner and a loser out of this one, potentially. I mean, it's proof that your entries and futures are significantly important. Move to the good, move to the good. Kind of want to just take this off the table, but the entry was dog poo-poo. I really don't want to lose $400 because my entry was so bad. It's entirely possible, though. Entirely possible, guys. Let's go back to the original game plan. Keep it up here at $700. If it reverses all the way through the fair value gap and outside of this lower VWAP line, then it happens, you know. You got pinched. See, I'd love to be out of this trade right now, thinking about an entry there with a tight stop loss. Risk management, you know, only lose $200-300 if it pushes up. But now I'm sitting here with a $682 potential loss, which I'm not in love with. So that's all right, though. It really wants to push up, and it's probably going to push up and tag me out. Knowing how this goes. Do I take the $400 loss right now, or do I rat it out? Yeah, now it's going to escalate. See, there it goes. Trading sometimes sucks. FOMO of missing out on a drop here has now led to a $600 drawdown. Boo. Alright, wait for the next setup. All I did there is I'm basing it on this trend line that's continuing down. It went up and it touched it. Every time it's touched it, it is rejected. So I wanted to take a short position on that because it ran back up and touched it, much like I thought it might if it broke through that fair value gap. Went right up to that. I think this is the ceiling for it. And until I see it close above it, I'm not going to say otherwise. So let's see. Ride this down. Stop loss has to be right there. 177. Target down here. See what happens. All right, while we wait. Not the day mathematically for me. Oh, this has been poo. 2 bad days. My losses have been way too big today, guys. It's just math, and I have not followed my structure. Most days, I would tell anybody, don't trade. This is just terrible risk management through and through. Little wins and major losses, just absolutely terrible. Do as I say, not as I do. Very true today. Absolutely horrible. But we'll battle back. I'm aware of it. I know how to adjust for it. And we'll battle back. All right, we got a fair value gap forming right there, which is why this is pushing back up, but still it has to break that trend line. So now we're just kind of sitting on the sidelines. We don't have an A+ setup. We're above the lower band of VWAP, and we're below the trend line, so we're just pinched in this area. I would still think it's going to play out as a short, but I don't know. It's going to be choppy for a little bit here. It'll be a little choppy. Yeah, we're going short 10. We're just let's just risk it. Let's put that risk on. Close to blowing the account anyways at this point. It's very frustrating when you're down and the trend is just clean down. You're just oversized and unavailable to ride the wave down. I mean, that trend line is clear as day, so If it reverses, it reverses. We lose $50 on the account. We open a new account. No big deal. But I'm not going to spend a month of my life trying to pass an evaluation by not taking risk. Again, I trade my real money differently than I do these live streams with these prop firms, which is, what they want. I mean, they make money on you, but $50 isn't going to change my life in this trading world, but a month of my time could. Can't win today, guys. I'm less than $200 away from drawdown entirely to lose the account, so. Good news is my actual portfolio is going up. Making actual money. This prop firm stuff is almost a waste of time sometimes. I do more swing trading and options trading with my real money, so I look for 7 days to 30 days out, and I let these trends play out. These futures where you're trying to scalp are tough. I mean, there are times when I win, and there are times when I lose. And it's just emotional control, understanding that it's part of the process, it happens. But, yep. I mean, that's all there is to it. It happens. I still like the short. It's hitting that trend line, man. I only have $200 worth of drawdown, so it's kind of a risky play. The account is going to go bust. Might as well. I'm not going to baby it. Let it go. Sun's out, finally. Snow's gone here in East Tennessee, so things are getting better in that regard. Yeah, it's looking like the account's going bye-byes. Continues to push up. Forget it, let's just take the long then. You know it's going to go up, why not just take the long, right? Touched VWAP and rejected right off of it. I'm basically trying to lose this account at this point. With such a drawdown, I mean, I have $100 to trade with. There's basically no point. It's going to be a battle to get this account back, I'm not going to lie, guys. So bad. So bad. So bad. What a crappy day trading. Was doing so well. Gave it all back in 2 days. And just absolute, utter collapse. Poor risk management. Way oversized losses. Undersized wins. Tough thing about futures trading, man. It happens. It sucks, but it happens. This account's alive, but it's only alive by $200. I think I'm going to walk away from it today. Maybe put a micro on or something and try to get a long-term swing trade on this one. But, man, just an absolutely terrible day. Anything you could take away from watching this live stream is watch your risk management, guys. I just absolutely violated all my rules, and it is clearly showing. But that's okay. It's a $50 account, so I didn't lose $2,000 or $1,200. I lost, well, I haven't lost it yet, but when or if I do blow this account, it's $50. It's not the end of the world. I take risk in these accounts because they are only $50, and if they work out tremendously well, and when it doesn't, it's $50. So I can live with that. All right, I'm going to end the stream here. Thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe if you want to be notified by the YouTube algorithm when I post every day. I do go live, so thanks for tuning in. Hopefully tomorrow is a better day. Enjoy your